Kia ora. This is a playthrough of Te Aroha. It's a Maori Waiata or song, and it means may love, faith and peace be with amongst us all, or with us all. So the chords I'm using are D, D7, G and A, and the plucking pattern is down, pluck, pluck, down, pluck, pluck. And the second pattern I will be using is down, down, up, down, up. So the down, pluck, pluck on G looks like this. I'm plucking the top string with my thumb. And then the down, down, up pattern sounds like this. And I'll start with 4 pluck down downs. Toru, wha.